My name is Paul Schmeltzer. The primary symptoms I had was sleep maintenance, which is I would wake up during the night, and my sleep wasn't as deep as it should be. So that created some cognitive issues and some being tired. And I had some slight tension in the top of my chest, and I thought it was simply from when I work out, maybe I'm a little sore. And so I didn't really connect that to a breathing problem. I have had numerous sleep studies, and I've been to many different doctors, neurologists, and my family doctor. Nobody has ever recommended this type of treatment. Basically, what I knew about the treatment was that it was a laser treatment that is performed in the office. It only takes a few minutes, and it's not painful at all, and there's very little recovery. The preparation for the treatment was quite simple. They used a topical spray, and the topical spray basically prepared your throat for the gag reflex. And then the doctor used the Solea laser treatment, which was very, very quick. The discomfort level was minimal. The procedure only took maybe 4 or 5 minutes. It was quite quick. Right after the treatment, my immediate response was that this is fantastic because my lung capacity had increased dramatically. My breathing was so much easier. I was just totally excited about the procedure and the results of it. I definitely sleep better, I breathe better, and I snore less, and I have more energy in the day. When I work out and I walk, it's actually like I'm on turbocharger. For me, it's been a life-changing experience.